This is the standard algorithm for solving the T permutation on Rubik's Cube. It is R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, F prime. Today, I'm going to be showing you multiple different ways to finger trick and execute this T Perm, from the most newbie finger tricks to some of the best finger tricks that I could think of. Feel free to comment below which one of these T Perm executions is your favorite and enjoy the video.